the construction industry is constantly evolving. New technologies emerge and reshape how we build. One such innovation is three-dimensional printing concrete. This technology is revolutionizing building methods. It offers a faster, more efficient, and sustainable way to construct structures. Three-dimensional printing concrete has the potential to transform the industry. It is a game changer for architects, engineers, and builders. Traditional construction methods are often time-consuming and labor-intensive. Three-dimensional printing concrete offers a solution to these challenges. It automates the construction process. This significantly reduces the time required to complete projects. This technology also minimizes the need for manual labor. This results in cost savings and increased efficiency. Three-dimensional printing concrete allows for greater precision and accuracy in construction. The technology uses a computer-controlled process. This ensures that structures are built according to the exact specifications of the design. The emergence of three-dimensional printing concrete marks a new era in construction. Three-dimensional printing concrete offers several advantages over traditional construction methods. One of the most significant advantages is speed. Three-dimensional printing can construct structures much faster than traditional methods. This is because it automates the process and reduces the need for manual labor. Another advantage is efficiency. Three-dimensional printing concrete is a highly efficient construction method. It minimizes material waste and reduces the need for transportation. Three-dimensional printing concrete also allows for greater design flexibility and customization. Architects and engineers can use this technology to create complex and innovative designs. Furthermore, three-dimensional printing concrete is a more sustainable construction method. It reduces waste by using only the necessary amount of materials. The applications of three-dimensional printing concrete are vast and varied. One of the most promising applications is in housing. Three-dimensional printing can be used to construct entire houses in a matter of days or even hours. This has the potential to revolutionize affordable housing and address housing shortages worldwide. Beyond housing, three-dimensional printing concrete is also being used to construct bridges. These structures can be built faster, more efficiently, and with less environmental impact. Architectural features and complex designs are also within the realm of three-dimensional printing concrete. The technology enables the creation of intricate facades and unique architectural details. In disaster relief, three-dimensional printing concrete offers a rapid solution for creating shelters. Overcoming challenges in 3D printing concrete. Despite its numerous advantages, 3D printing concrete faces several challenges. One primary concern is the cost associated with the technology. 3D printing concrete requires specialized equipment, software, and materials, which can be expensive. Another challenge is ensuring the strength and durability of 3D printed concrete structures. Technical limitations also pose challenges to the widespread adoption of 3D printing concrete. The size of printable structures is limited by the size of the printing equipment. Integrating 3D printing concrete into existing construction practices presents another hurdle. The industry needs to adapt to incorporate this new technology, including training personnel and developing new design standards. Sustainability and 3D printing concrete. Sustainability is a crucial aspect of 3D printing concrete. One significant advantage is the potential for reduced material consumption. 3D printing allows for precise control over the amount of concrete used, minimizing waste. The use of eco-friendly materials is another area where 3D printing concrete contributes to sustainability. The technology allows for the incorporation of recycled aggregates and other sustainable materials. However, the production of cement, a key ingredient in concrete, is energy-intensive and contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. Research is ongoing to assess the lifespan of these structures and develop methods for their deconstruction and material reuse. The future landscape of construction. The future of 3D printing concrete in construction appears bright. As the technology matures, it is expected to become more affordable and accessible. Advancements in printing technology will further expand the possibilities of 3D printing concrete. The integration of 3D printing concrete with other emerging technologies will lead to more efficient construction processes. The development of autonomous construction systems will further automate construction. These systems will be able to work collaboratively and autonomously, leading to faster construction times. In conclusion, 3D printing concrete is a transformative technology with the potential to revolutionize the construction industry.